This is the wall afterwards. Poor wall. I guess he wants to start over again. I, of course, told him to start a little further up, but since I'm a woman, he probably wouldn't listen to me.
Nope.
See? Like I said, I'm a woman. He won't listen to me. You do realize women are always right, right?
Yep, totally.
That's not gonna work.
That's my problem. Aha! Success!
It may work. I don't know. I still think I'm right, though.
Whoa!
Build, build, build! You gotta build on this side right here. You're leaving this whole side open. Told you.
Well, I know that.
If you build this side, that side won't be compromised.